50% more Claude Code capacity, and a brand new billing split. 6 stories from the AI industry, starting now.
Here are today's main stories from the world of AI. Anthropic just raised Claude Code weekly limits by 50%, effective today through July 13th. Starting June 15th, programmatic API usage will be billed separately from interactive use. That covers Agent SDK, Claude-P, GitHub Actions, and third-party agent apps. Each subscription tier gets $20 to $200 in monthly credits that reset and do not carry over. Interactive Claude chat and session limits remain unchanged. New evaluations show Claude Mythos Preview has made a significant leap in autonomous cyber capability. In AISI testing, the model completed 2 complex cyber ranges for the first time. Expo reports a 42% reduction in false negatives for source code audits compared to Opus 4.6. Japan's financial sector is already responding. 3 major banks reportedly plan to gain access through Anthropic's Project Glasswing to strengthen cyber defenses. Notion has launched a developer platform called /dev/Notion. The External Agents API lets you bring agents like Claude, Codex, and Cursor directly into your workspace. You can assign tasks, monitor execution, and build multi-agent workflows. Workers is a host and runtime for custom tools that sync external data or trigger other apps. Notion says its MCP integration cuts token consumption by up to 91%. Bloomberg reports Anthropic is in talks to raise at least $30 billion at a valuation above $900 billion. That would more than double its previous valuation and surpass OpenAI. Ramp spending data shows Anthropic now leads business adoption at 34.4%, passing OpenAI. The company also launched Claude for Small Business with QuickBooks, Canva, and HubSpot integrations. Meta has announced Incognito chat for WhatsApp and the Meta AI app. All inference runs inside a trusted execution environment on your device. Meta says it cannot access the conversations, and no server logs are created. Messages vanish when you lock the screen or close the app. The feature uses Meta's latest Muse Spark model. A follow-up called Side Chat will let you invoke Meta AI privately within group conversations. Anthropic has published an official guide for computer use and browser use across its Claude model family. The top recommendation is pre-scaling screenshots before sending them to the API, default to 1280 by 720 resolution. Opus 4.7 benefits from 1080p. For thinking effort, set high for Opus 4.7 and medium for the 4.6 series. Sonnet 4.6 leads in raw click precision, while Opus 4.7 adds stronger reasoning. That wraps today's 6. If this saved you time, subscribe. Same format every day.